Hey everybody, this is the Samsung HD HMX F900 Camcorder I bought from eBay and received it in the mail last Saturday. You see where it say HD CMOS sensor, and it say HMX-F900. This is a used camcorder. I paid $39.99 for it. When I shop on eBay, I normally don't buy electronics online. But this time I was lucky because I didn't want to spend all that money on a camcorder that costs like $150 or more, or $200. But I did contact the seller to make sure that this camcorder was in good working condition, and it was. And I was prepared that this camcorder didn't come with no accessories. The only thing it came with a SD memory card. So I had to buy the adapter or the charger. I bought it from eBay too, so. You see where this camcorder, it say 52x optical zoom. That means 52 times optical zoom. And this the microphone right here. And this your power button right here. This your zoom button right here. And this the mode button right here, where you press the mode button to view your videos. And this button right here is where you want to take pictures, take a picture. I know it say photo right there, you probably can't see it too good. And this is your wrist right here, your hand wrist strap, where you hold the the camcorder. I think it's called the wrist strap. So, and it has a record button right here. And this part, this the battery. The battery that says Samsung, you probably can't see it. And this your tripod socket right there. If you want to put your camcorder on a tripod. And this little button right here, this is where you open the lens cover and close the lens cover. As you see, I got the lens cover open. As you see it. And when you close the lens cover, you're going to press this up right there. And that closes your lens, as you see. And when you open your lens cover, you're going to push this down. And you see the lens cover is open. And most likely before you turn your camcorder on, you have to make sure that you open the lens cover. So and this your screen right here. I'll open it up. And this screen, you can swivel your screen. I'll turn the camcorder on so you can see. Okay, you're going to press this power button to turn the camcorder on. Right here. And see how it look. And this your menu button right here. And this your button right here, zoom. Like that. Press up to zoom. You're going to press down to zoom out. And there's the record button right here too. I think I'm going to like this camcorder. Because the camcorder, when you record a video, you can pause your recording. This button right here, that's the display. It moved that, what's displaying, like number of files can hold, and show the SD card icon, HD, and how many minutes you have on your memory card, 254 minutes. And your battery indicator. You see the battery indicator up there. HD, you see where it says HD. Anti-handshake on and backlight on. 9,999. That's how many files, video files can hold, your memory card can hold. And this the pause button right there where you pause your recording. It's your backlight button right here. And that's the smart auto. I guess when you automatic share your video files and post them on YouTube. When you connect your camcorder to a laptop computer. And this your speaker right here. You can see where it say H.264 recording. That means HD. And this part right here, I'll open it so you can see. That's where you hook your adapter and charger. This slot right here. And I guess these other two slots right here, like for your USB cable and AV cables. And it do have a charger light. It's right in the middle, so when I charge this camcorder, it'll show the charger indicator light. Because I know when I received this camcorder in the mail, I had to charge that battery after it didn't turn on. So, and after I charged that battery, that's when it worked. So I think these HD camcorders is gonna be better to use to record videos, because I like to record videos and post them onto my YouTube channel and my Facebook, because I do have a YouTube channel. Because with these digital cameras, like this, the digital camera I'm using right now to record a video, you can't even pause the recording with those digital cameras. So I'm glad they made them camcorders, that way you can pause the recording. And this camcorder I have right now, excuse me, not camcorder, this digital camera I'm using to record the video, this digital camera is a Canon PowerShot F115 IS camera, in which it do record HD videos, but with these digital cameras you can't even pause the recording. So, and I'll show you the memory card, your memory card right here. I'll take it out. Well, first I gotta turn the camcorder off. So you're gonna press this power button to turn the camcorder off. Press and hold for a few seconds. Just like that. Now I'll take this SD memory card out. Yeah, because this SD memory card came with the camcorder. Hold on real quick. Let me take this SD card out. Alright, here we go. Because this camcorder, it didn't come with the other accessories like the AV cables and the USB cables, so, or the instruction manual, so I have to buy them online from eBay. And plus I'm gonna buy me a little carrying case for my camcorder. I'll buy that from Walmart. This the SD card right here, 16 gigabytes. So lucky I didn't have to buy a memory card, because this camcorder was coming with a memory card. It was described by the seller, you know, in the description, that the camcorder will come with a SD memory card. Okay, I put this memory card back inside this camcorder. And there you have it. But that's how it looks. I know I'll be using my camcorder to record videos, so. And I do have a tripod, a 50-inch tripod I bought from Walmart I think I bought it last Friday, I think last Friday when I bought it. But this is a nice camcorder. And you just do this to close the screen, like that. And you close the lid cover after you turn the camcorder off. So probably in my next video, I'll be using my camcorder. So that way with these digital cameras recording the video, you don't have to worry in case you get interrupted. Then you have to stop the recording with your digital camera, and then you will have to start all over again to record the video. So using my digital cameras, I use, maybe just record a short video and, take pictures with it. Because I've been had this Canon PowerShot F115 IS digital camera for 4 years. The one I'm using to record video. So I wanted this camcorder in a black, but that's alright. So I just went on ahead, bought the camcorder in the white. So like I mentioned before, this is a used camcorder. So but anyway, that's it. Gotta go.